Your best to really get on the same page as fast as you can. The faster you get on the same page, the better chance you have of being successful.
A lot of people before you had signed up, whether they were veterans that had a lot of success or rookies or anywhere in between, and had a lot of trouble. Was there anything that anyone told you to sort of avoid some of that trouble that made it hard to acclimate?
No, I just came in and just stuck to who I was and trusted the process, and now here we are.
And you stuck to who you were, but they haven't really had a receiver like you in that role, sort of just like the burner route. Did you know when they got you that they were going to use you like you, or were you a little unsure?
I mean, I know what my game, what my strengths are as far as knowing exactly what they were going to do. No, but like I said, I was just trusting the process and trusting great coaches and teammates to be able to be put in the best position possible.
Do you ever think about just like having Drew Brees and Tom Brady as your quarterback so far?
It's a blessing. It's a blessing. Yeah.
Brandin, going off that, how has having two Hall of Fame quarterbacks by your side throughout your career made adjusting into the NFL for you?
I think it made the adjustment a lot easier. That's for sure.
Are you surprised to see Tom playing his left like he says you? How long are you waiting for?
I'm not surprised at all, and that's how long he got, however long he wants to go. I'll let you ask him that question.
What makes him special? What does he do out there that sets him apart?
Just the process, his whole process leading up to the game from day one of off-season training to now. The guy seems like he pays attention to every little detail. Yep.
Brandin, that matchup with Jacksonville, obviously very physical D-backs. Jalen Ramsey was zeroed in on you for most of that contest. How has that prepped you for the physical D-backs of the Eagles?
It was a good matchup, but you got different players now here in Philly, so I don't really think back too much of the Jacksonville game. I kind of focus on what I see on film from the guys in Philly, and they're playing at a high level, so it'll present another challenge this week.
Thank you.
Yep.
Do you think Jalen is the best corner in the league right now, though?
That's not who we're playing right now, and that's not where my focus is either.
Brandin, when everybody says about the Patriots way, what that means? Coming from New Orleans, what is the way that you work with Patriots?
Doing your job the best that you can and trusting the process.
What is the biggest difference that you have seen since you came from New Orleans, the way of preparation, of working?
I haven't had a chance to really think about the differences. That'll be another time to reflect down the road. Right now, I'm just focusing on being in the moment. Yeah. I saw him. Really wasn't necessarily too aware. No.
I mean, for you to be working with Tom Brady right now?
It's great. I got a great quarterback that's throwing the ball. What more can you really ask for?
How is he as a teammate?
He's a great teammate. Great teammate.